So Zach, tell us what you just experienced.
Well, I experienced something kind of weird. I was in the men's restroom washing my hands after going to the bathroom, and I saw over in the mirror in the corner of my eye some jeans or some pants flying over the bathroom stall door.
The jeans? What was that?
Guess it was the Nooper.
The Nooper? I thought that was a myth.
Apparently not.
So, what is this Nooper fella?
Nooper is the nude pooper.
The nude pooper? What do you mean by that?
The nude pooper is someone who poops in the nude.
So, is that where you get the name from?
Yeah, you take the nude from the nude and the pooper from the pooper, combine them together, and you get the Nooper.
Well, Zach, do you think you'll ever see the Nooper again?
I kind of hope not. I mean, it's pants coming off in the bathroom. It's kind of a creepy deal.